What is your name?
Eddie.
Eddie. That's right. Remember you, Eddie. Eddie, when I looked over there, the Lord spoke to me that you're in the beginning season of restoration. Eddie, I don't know anything about your life. But Eddie, you've lost a lot. You've gone through a lot. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Eddie, are you just beginning to get your life back together?
Yes, I am.
Eddie, God is going to release miracles into your life.
Amen.
Over the next several days, you're going to begin to see things coming into divine alignment. I'll tell you why, Eddie. Because God is pleased with you. God is pleased with your efforts. God is pleased that you're beginning to work out your salvation. You're grabbing a hold of what He is providing you. And because you're grabbing a hold of what He's providing you, God is going to cause certain things to come into alignment just for you. Areas where it has seemed tough and hard. Areas that it seemed like you've been locked out of. Eddie, something you've been locked out of. Something is stopping you from entering into something. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's family. Don't know if it's relationships. I don't know if it's a home, a house. I don't know. Do you know?
Everything.
Guess what, Eddie? That door that's been locked and God is about to open it and you're about to step in.
Amen. Amen. Thank you, Jesus.
Bridges that have been burnt, God's going to repair them. God's going to supernaturally heal strategic relationships, Eddie. You don't need to repair every past relationship. But there are some relationships that are vital that God never intended for you to lose. And God's going to supernaturally repair those relationships. Is it 2 or 3 people that supposed to be in your life that are not in your life?
Yes, there is.
How many people?
3.
3 people. Lift your hands, Eddie. When I blow on you, the favor of God's coming. Touch him, God. Miracles in Jesus' name. Eddie, you're going to stand here and you're going to declare the glory of God. You're going to give God praise for restoration in the mighty name of Jesus. Where the devil has worked, I command that to be reversed. I command the devil to get out. I command those demons to get out. I command the lies connected to it, get out. Get out in Jesus' name. Healing, 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 and restoration. Woo! In the name of Jesus. Somebody give God some praise. Hallelujah.